Hi, I'm Nicholas Rankin. I teach high school life science at Little Chute High School. That involves everything from biology to anat and phys, food and exercise science, ecology and environmental science, kind of the gamut. So there was one other question that you had asked, and I was thinking a lot about it. It was, what inspires you to be a teacher? And when I was reflecting on it last night, I was thinking about the adage that those who can't do teach. Obviously, as a teacher, I find that to be pretty offensive. But I know some people who they've allowed that feeling to take over the passion that they once had for teaching. And so they don't think of teaching as something that they're proud of necessarily. Like the true value of a teacher is being able to deconstruct things that are incredibly complex and be able to reconstruct them in student-friendly language and to build this future generation that's gonna go on to do amazing things. I have students that went through my classroom that are now brain surgeons. I think that that's amazing. Not that I did that. I don't feel like I was solely responsible for helping this student to become a brain surgeon, but I think that I was part of their story, and I'm really, really proud to be part of that story. I think we need to throw that adage out, those who can't do teach. I bring my family into my teaching a lot. I've always appreciated teachers that are most authentically themselves. And so when I'm teaching, if I feel like something just happened in our life that's relevant to what I'm teaching about, then I'll talk about it. And so I was just talking about my wife, and then she just appeared in the doorway with all of you. And so that was very surprising. I figured it out, a little bit later, because obviously I had written the essays and stuff for this, but no one goes into teaching for recognition. And I think that can give us imposter syndrome sometimes, like we don't feel like that we deserve to be recognized. But it's nice. It's a nice feeling that people appreciate what I do and the hard work that I put in. But I also was there to teach. And I had a really fun lesson plan, to be honest. We were building edible cells out of Twizzlers pull and peel licorice. And I'm thinking to myself, if I don't get to this, these kids are not gonna get their candy. So yeah, that's kind of the fallout from it. So I would say a lot of the volunteering and stuff that I do at home in the community that I live in, but I try to involve myself with clubs. So I've been an Earth Club advisor. I was the Earth Club advisor since I've been there, so this is my 19th year. Mr. Beast and Mark Rober raised money for something called Team Seas to remove plastic from the ocean, and that year we had fundraised over $1,000 to help that fund, which was really cool. So we do a lot of environmentally focused, like highway cleanup, stuff like that. Getting this recognition does, I think, help to validate all the hard work, and sometimes the nights without families, or the nights without family time. So I think receiving this award is an acknowledgement that those sacrifices also matter and that people see them, and that means a lot.